Hello guys, I'm Harlan Kurz. To tell you in this tutorials how to go for your Gmail recovery. In case someone who has stolen your Gmail ID, change the password. Now you don't have the recovery email and recovery phone numbers, then how do you access to the risk? We will see in the live in this tutorials. Let's say CV. Here, this ID has been recommended by one viewer who has unfortunately lost his device. Her device, and it has recommended to recover so quickly because it's a concern related to data privacy. So he would like to reset this ID particular, change the password, and he would like to recover his photos, etc. etc. So how do I? We will see in the live. So this can be possible, guys, by alternatively. But in a case your ID has been stolen, hijacked, hacked by anyone, by someone else, in that condition also you can apply this strategy and this will be effectively works. Now here it's asking password. We don't have password. So what we will do, guys, here, if we don't have a password, simply just we will go for try another way. Yes. Now we don't have recovery phone number, so directly we can go for here don't have. If we don't have, then of course we will go for continue. Now what will happen here, guys? It's asking so that I did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is mine. Then how could I make it mine on this? Don't worry. Leave it everything. Just simply we will cut it from here and we will come on directly on a Play Store. In a Play Store we have one browser that we will have to approach. So which one it is? It is a ST browser all in once. Yes, so just we will hit some these ones. Approximately size of this is 11 MB, so quickly it will be actually downloaded. On the other hand, of course, we will have two changes that is very essential. So hold this Z browser, click on here, will come notifications, make it block. So it is already blocked, but you will have enable, guys. Now just we will go for in the permission. In the permission, of course, you will have a enable similar like that. Make the precise location off. Then of course we will click here don't allow anyway. So these browser completely off now. Once again we will do this with Chrome browser, as we know that as far as I'm concerned this is the product of Google also. So just we will go for used. We will go for here notifications, make it disables. Now we will go for back. We'll count the permissions to navigate the location, guys. So let's count on the locations. Precise location occurs. We'll go for here. We'll go for don't allow anywhere. Now here one more time we will have to back. One more time back. And here is the app browser. Just we will click on and we will go on this ST browser. Now see the magic of this browser, guys. What will happen? Simply just we will tap on it, and what will happen here? Just we will have to write this Google, and what will help here, guys? Right here, Google and co.in, and of course we will go for here. So let's click on and go. Now enable translator, just we will back here. Now what we will do here, guys, simply on this 3 dot here we will have to wait here a little bit, just or you can cut it, no problem here. Just in this search bar we will have to write Google Help. And we will have to pick some these options, guys. Let's see. So now on this particular we will have to come this. Let's type on here. Now we have to pick some this. It's related to our Gmail recovery, so of course we will have to pick some these mail options. Now we will scroll up and here see can't sign your accounts. You will have to go with these options. You will have to select in the here. You think someone else is using. Yes, I think. Now we will go for here. secure my account quickly. Now what we will do, directly we will go for these steps to recover, and what will happen guys, we'll come on a especially recovery page, and here for your kind information, now let's see, just these all are crucial steps that we will have to apply. If you miss one, then of course you will have the problem, won't be able to recover. Then here what we will do guys, here simply we will write here this ID, of course we will write here this @gmail.com. just we will go for now here, tap on here, next, see what will happen. It's asking password, just we will pick that try another way we would like to approach this ID. Now this number is essential that we don't have a phone number so that we can reset. Now here is option more tips to recover your accounts. Now see here, don't click on a try again, otherwise Google will trace easily that you are trying to recover this ID by a different browser. So this is not in the favor of HPC admin of Google. So what will happen here guys, what we will have to, we will use these more tips to recover this account but by alternative way so that it will work 100%. Don't click on here, otherwise it would be a freeze. So what can I do now? Just simply guys, we will cut it from here and we will tap on setting options. Here what will happen guys, we will come to Google service. So here it is, just to see, tap on it, we will come in a help. Now Google will recover too, don't worry. Click on a help options, then of course we will go for here, write lost or stolen your device, and here first option, just we will go for fix these ones. Now what we will do guys, here we will have to wait here, one fix common issues will come. So now this cam here, now simply just we will go for add your recovery, just we will have options that recover your accounts, yes, tips to the complete account recovery. Now we will come once again on this recovery case, and now see another time we will have an opportunity to right here this particular Gmail ID. And here just we will have to type here guys, that is next. Now see guys, here directly it's essential that I succeed. What we will do here, just don't click on continue. Why so? Because if we go for continue, then it will tap on particular that it's verify your options. So we don't have the recovery email and recovery phone number so that we can reset by getting OTP. So here just we will tap on here, change the password, and what will happen here guys, if I tap on a change the password, a little bit slow is working, don't worry, maybe now see here it has given an opportunity to here. Now simply write a password, confirms the password, go for change password. If I tap on here change the password, then the password would be changed, then you will have to go in a security center and add the recovery email and recovery phone number so that whenever you would like to the reset, change the password, or this kind of incident won't happen again. So quickly go in a security center after changing it. Spontaneously, of course, on a Linux kernel, so we cannot create the strong password with the count because of it would be in a public domain. So just to let them the create, and we will have to deliver synthesizer tools in this viewer. So this is all about in this video tutorial. For any confusion, query, drop the comments in the comment box. Replies would be managed to reply your query. And if you feel some better, if you found This is informative and acknowledgeable, so that don't forget like subscribe and of course share this content. So this is only for education purpose, institution purpose. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare, guys. Have a great time. Bye bye.